issue na ba?
Question number 6. Aerosol products carry a warning signal like heat in cold dry place. Why? Aerosol products carry a warning signal like heat in cold dry place. It is because it is contaminated with chemical.
Okay, good morning. Question number 2. The question was this. What hastens global warming? What hastens global warming? Good morning, Joseph. What hastens global warming is the excessive gas coming from the atmosphere.
Cost.
What hastens global warming is excessive gas at the atmosphere coming from the burning of fossil fuels. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. During hot summer months, the Philippine Air Force. The question is question number 5. Silver iodide crystals.
Okay. Good morning, event number 3. Your question goes, during long hot summer months, the Philippine Air Force pilots are ordered to spray silver iodide crystals into the atmosphere. What is the silver iodide for?
Silver iodide is the chemicals used in cloud seeding. We all know cloud seeding is an attempt to produce artificial rain so that we could have enough water supply, especially months ago we encountered what we call El Nino, and our government implied that we should create we should
Oh my God.
I can repeat my answer. My answer is silver iodide crystals is used for cloud seeding, and cloud seeding is a process of producing artificial rain so that we could have enough water supply, especially during El Nino. That's all.
Question number 1. Your question runs this way. Why are there frequent earthquakes in the Philippines?
Thank you, Mom, for that very good question. There are frequent earthquakes in the Philippines simply because our country is located within a Pacific Ring of Fire where lots of lines are found. The Philippines the Philippines There are frequent earthquakes in the Philippines simply because our country is located in a belt of fire wherein lots of close lines are found. Thank you. Question number 8.
Okay, contestant number 5, please allow me to read question number 8.
Okay, you accidentally spill hot cooking oil on your arm. What should you do?
Thank you, sir, for the very nice question. Simply, first, I will rinse water in my arms, then then put a block of ice on me. Thank you.
Okay, good morning, candidates number 8. This is your question. Question number 2 is, water is a poor conductor of electricity when someone happens to step into flooded stress with a down electric post. He gets electrocuted. Why? I repeat, water is a poor conductor of electricity when someone happens to step into flooded stress with a down electric post. He gets electrocuted. Why?